Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So we're here at Dr. Wigoda's office. Just going to ask you a couple of questions. First, tell us what procedure you had and when did you have it?
I had a breast augmentation yesterday.
Okay, we'll talk a little bit about your experience after surgery. When you woke up, how did you feel? And when you went home, how did you feel?
Immediately after, I was feeling loopy. Um, but as far as pain goes, I felt fine. I was still numb. Um, and then when I went home, I still felt fine, slow, like kind of sluggish. But as far as feeling, it was more of a pressure, not a pain.
Okay, and when you woke up this morning and today, how do you feel?
A lot better than yesterday. I feel like I can move more. It was easier for me to get up and down out of bed. Um, so there was a big difference from today and yesterday.
Okay. Um, you were asked to raise your arms up last night. Were you able to do that?
Yes,
And today, were you able to do it?
yes,
And can you show us?
yes. It kind of feels good. It's like a muscle. It feels like you're stretching the muscles. Like if you worked out a lot, that kind of feeling stretching those. Next day it feels good.
So as far as pain goes, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much pain would you say you have?
I would say two.
Okay. Um, and you mentioned that you had watched some of the videos on the Painless breast implants website.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me a little bit about what you thought and what you were expecting and what you actually experienced.
After watching them, everyone says kind of the same thing that I'm saying now, and it was like I wanted to believe them, but I just couldn't fathom how that really is true. Like how there really isn't the pain, but it really isn't pain. It's just the pressure, which is it's nothing unbearable. It's the easiest thing out of it, that could be. I would assume.
And when you looked at your breasts today, did you see any bruises and how did they look overall?
No, they look good. I mean, they're very hard, but I think they look good. Um, they're a little high, like in some angles where I look, I can see I guess just
The
where my
implant.
muscle probably.
Hmm.
But other than that, I think they look good. No problems there. So far, so good.
All right. If you had friends or family who were interested in having breast augmentation, what would you suggest to them?
I would definitely suggest you.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.